Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix chlorine in water for cleaning. First, prioritize safety. Always work in a well-ventilated area, perhaps with open windows, to avoid inhaling fumes. Protect your hands with gloves and your eyes with safety glasses. It is critically important to never mix bleach with ammonia or other cleaning products, as this can create dangerous toxic gases. Also, use cool or room temperature water, not hot, for optimal effectiveness. For everyday cleaning and general disinfection, a standard solution is highly effective. Combine 1/3 cup of regular household bleach with 1 gallon of cool water. This mixture is ideal for sanitizing hard, non-porous surfaces such as kitchen counters, bathroom sinks, and tile floors. Always check that your bleach product has a sodium hypochlorite concentration between 5 and 9%. After applying, let the solution sit for at least 5 minutes to properly disinfect before rinsing. When facing tougher cleaning challenges, like mold or heavily soiled areas, a stronger solution is needed. Mix 1 full cup of bleach with 1 gallon of cool water. This more concentrated blend is excellent for deep sanitization. Before widespread use, always test this stronger solution on a small, hidden spot to ensure it won't damage your surface. For effective disinfection, allow the solution to remain on the surface for a full 10 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Proper storage and disposal are crucial for safety and effectiveness. Always prepare a fresh bleach solution each day you plan to clean, as its potency significantly decreases after 24 hours. Store any unused, concentrated bleach in its original, tightly sealed container, away from direct sunlight and heat. When you are finished, safely dispose of diluted solutions by pouring them down a drain with ample running water. Remember to keep all cleaning chemicals, especially bleach, out of reach of children and pets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.